Hey guys, thank you for stopping by. If you wanna know how I went from this to this, then keep on watching. So before I go in with a thread, I made sure that my hair is properly moisturized. That way my hair won't be breaking off because it's now soft and more manageable and easy to work with. Moisturizing your hair is very important in your hair game. If you master this, it will change your natural hair game completely. And please take note that if you decide to use this method to stretch your hair, please try not to make this hairstyle too tight, cause you might be ripping your hair off from your scalp. Please guys, don't forget to leave a comment, like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you can help your girl grow. Back to the video. And now I'm done. This is what my hair looks. Okay guys, it's been a week. The initial plan was to take this hairstyle out the following morning, but the following day, but I got lazy, so I decided to keep it for a week at least. Now it's time to take down this hairstyle. So before I go in with the comb to comb my hair, I'm going to unravel my hair section by section to make sure that the combing process is going to be easy when I go in with the comb. So yeah. Let me say a mistake I did is that I just started combing my hair right away, as you just saw or seeing. Didn't put any leave-in conditioner in my hair, and my hair is coming out like crazy. It's breaking off, and I'm really upset about this because I mean, this is my baby. I should be taking care of my baby properly to make my baby grow, to make my hair thrive, and look at what I'm doing. It's so upsetting. But anyway, let's move to the next part. So here is a bonus for you guys. When it comes to combing your hair, always starts at the ends of your hair, working your way down, because all that's where all the tangles and knots are. The ends of your hair are the oldest part of your hair, and they are the most fragile, and if you are not gentle with the ends of your hair, you won't be seeing any growth at all. Like, you won't be progressing. Your hair will be stuck at a certain length, which will be frustrating and painful to see, because you are putting more effort and expecting good results. At the end of the day, nothing is coming out, nothing is showing, because you are doing something wrong. So always take very good care of the ends of your hair. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next one.